Curacao is renowned for its beautiful beaches such as Playa Nip, Playa Canepa Grande, and Mambo Beach, known for their white sand and turquoise waters. For enthusiasts of history and architectural heritage, the Cathedral of Pietermaaie, Fort Amsterdam, and the picturesque district of Otrabanda with its colorful houses and charming streets are must-visit attractions. In this way, Curacao becomes not only a place of scenic landscapes but also a destination with a fascinating history, culture, and unique character that attract travelers from around the world.